An exciting new feature that's been released with OnBase 23.1 is the App Builder. What this allows an organization to do is to create any number of applications that are going to be persona-based. In this demonstration, I'm going to show you this expense management app. First thing that you're going to notice is that I'm just using a browser. These applications are going to require the use of a browser only. They're going to leverage your OnBase web server, but you can see that we are able to leverage the existing OnBase security built within the system. As I log into this app, all things said and done, these apps are going to allow you to utilize the components of OnBase that have already been built. All of your different document types, your searches, your workflows, your electronic forms, your reporting dashboards. We're now exposing them to users in really, again, a persona-based application that allows you to use your terminology rather than OnBase terminology, creating multiple different screens here, including color schemes, logos. As we're defining this, we can use your terms again rather than utilizing OnBase terms. Behind this new expense report, for example, is a Unity form. We're not telling the user that within this application, but obviously we're now retrieving from the system a brand new Unity form that had been previously configured inside of the solution. Other components, such as uploading documents, well, we can actually configure this to upload a specific document type, in this particular case a receipt, allowing the user to find the file, attach it accordingly, and then index the document as we move forward. Really easy navigation to move around. Another capability is to now expose different workflow queues. Again, I don't have to call them workflow queues. I call this your expense inbox, so that we make it really easy for the user to adapt to this, to be able to see the objects in this particular case that have been routed to them for any particular type of workflow action. Your workflow actions, whether we're ready to move forward or delete this voucher, however my workflow is configured at this particular state, is now available to me. We can also allow different searches inside the system, find reports, find your expense reports, provide your search criteria. Again, really easy to configure all this and simple to navigate. Just to show you one other example, another different persona-based application that I already have configured inside the system is this accounts payable application. Here, it's much more workflow related. You can see some different shortcuts here for different steps within the workflow process, different queues that might be available, searching for documents in a variety of different ways. You can see I have multiple different tabs here, but we can even expose OnBase reporting dashboard capabilities directly to the user within this application. And these are even mobile adaptive. You can see here as I change these different screens, come back to my home, it actually now does change what that look and feel is, so it is now very easy to utilize the same application through a mobile device also.